Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can apply some transitions to all your clips on the CapCut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC, and as you can see that here I have imported some clips to my CapCut project. And first of all, we're going to apply transition to the clip. So we can tap on the transition, then just like the transition that you would like to apply to your clips, and don't forget to download the transition first before you use it. So for example, I'm just going to select this vertical blur transition, so we can tap on the download button and just hold on, and after that we can tap on this plus button and okay, click on OK. Alright, and if you want to apply this transition to all your clip, you just need to tap on the transition like this. Then you can click on apply to all, but before it, you can adjust the duration right here. You can increase the duration, you can also reduce the duration, and it's up to you. And we can click on apply to all to apply this transition to all clips. Okay, now the transition have been applied to all clips. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply the same transition to all clips on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.